Happy birthday!
I got some socks, man. Sock puppets.
It's Tuesday.
Is it Tuesday?
No, it's Friday.
Oh my gosh. This is our bird Silver. And he likes to talk to toilet paper.
She took him away! I can't have M&M's?
So, what do we do now? Face and then just throwing them all over. The moment. We eat M&M's.
Now what?
Oh, you know. So, anyway.
Oh no.
Honey, long, no.
Die, Oblivion! Ah.
Oh. I'd like to place an order.
Okay, what would you like?
I'd like pizza.
Okay, what would you like?
I need the biggest pizza, all meat.
The family size all meat?
Yes.
Okay.
With light sauce.
The creamy garlic or light sauce?
Just light sauce.
Okay.
And then we need a chicken garlic. Biggest one.
Okay. Is that all for you?
Does that have cheese on it?
I'm sorry, what?
Does that have cheese on it?
Yes, all of our pizzas have cheese.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And what's her name for the order?
Jennifer?